Hello there. So our theme for today is Angels and Devil. So for the skin tone, I choose what? Red ba or white? Siguro white is better. Then of course we're going to find accessories. So I chose these roses in my head. Then for the clothes, I chose what? I guess this one is cute choker, and I'll use this new corset from the codes and color red of course and black so that may pagka-combination, hindi lang yung plain black, 'di ba? And for the skirt, kailangan pumili tayo ng ganitong kaikli. So it's a dress but it's good na. Then stockings para mas better, and axe. So I colored it black para mas cute. Inon ko rin yung axe para mas devil yung dating natin, 'di ba? Kasi tapos ko na yung angel kaya pinili ko na to. Then red para partner lang. Then boots, pinagpilian ko pa kung red or black but I chose black. Then knee length ba, ankle length, pero okay na to, knee length. Then yung stockings, pinalitan ko ng color, ginawa ko siyang red. Then for the hair, I chose the hair na mas embossed or mas maganda tingnan para hindi gaano overlapping dito sa ating flower. Then color red, diba? Pinili ko rin yung makeup na mas bumukha siyang evil. And nanalo ito. Mas cute siya, diba? And for the accessories, may kulang pa ba? Iniba ko siya ng color yung ating headdress para mas emphasize yung kanyang kasi 'di ba color red yung hair ko. So kailangan is medyo magkabaliktad. For the axe, pinili ko yung bounce para merong animation para mas cute siyang tingnan. And what else? I guess this is good and enough. So, meron pa ba tayong kulang? Pinili ko yung accessories na necklace natin na may bloody. Then, pinili ko rin tong tusok-tusok na headdress. Diba? Yan. So, this is my final look.